Hey there everybody, it's your girl Megan, and I'm so excited to share my vegetarian journey with you. Listen, going vegetarian can be one of the most amazing and delicious decisions you ever make. It's about embracing a world of vibrant veggies, hearty grains, and all those yummy plant-based goodies that make your taste buds sing. But let's be real, it can also feel a little overwhelming at times, especially in the beginning. All right, y'all, let's talk about meal planning. Now, I know it might sound kind of fussy, but trust me, it's the secret sauce to a happy and healthy vegetarian life. Meal planning isn't just about deciding what to eat. It's about creating a balanced, nutritious, and delicious menu that keeps you energized and satisfied throughout the week. When you plan your meals, you're setting yourself up for success, honey. It's like laying the foundation for a strong, healthy lifestyle. By taking the time to plan, you ensure that you have all the ingredients you need, reducing food waste and saving time during the week. Plus, it makes grocery shopping a breeze because you know exactly what you need. No more last-minute scrambles, wondering what to eat or getting tempted by those not-so-healthy options. We've all been there, standing in front of the fridge, feeling overwhelmed and reaching for something quick and easy, but not necessarily good for us. Meal planning eliminates that stress and helps you make healthier choices effortlessly. It's all about having a game plan. Just like a coach prepares a strategy for the big game, you need a strategy for your meals. This way you can ensure variety, balance, and excitement in your diet. You can experiment with new recipes, incorporate seasonal produce, and even plan for leftovers to save time and money. Think about it like this. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a map, right? You'd plan your route, know your stops, and make sure you have everything you need for the journey. Meal planning is the same concept. It's your roadmap to a week of delicious, nutritious meals that keep you on track with your health goals. Well, meal planning is like your roadmap to vegetarian deliciousness. It allows you to explore new cuisines, try out different cooking techniques, and enjoy a variety of flavors and textures. Plus, it ensures that you're getting a well-rounded diet with all the essential nutrients your body needs. It helps you stay organized, make sure you're getting all those good nutrients, and keeps you from ordering takeout every night. An organized kitchen is a happy kitchen, and when you have a plan, cooking becomes a joy rather than a chore. You can prep ingredients in advance, making weeknight dinners quick and easy. And let's be honest, our wallets love a good meal plan. By planning your meals, you can stick to a budget, avoid impulse buys, and make the most of sales and discounts. It's a win-win situation for your health and your finances. So grab that planner, download that app, and start mapping out your meals. Your future self will thank you. Okay, my loves, let's talk about keeping things interesting in the kitchen. Cooking should never be a chore, it should be an adventure, a journey of flavors and textures that excite your taste buds and nourish your soul. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, there's always something new to discover and enjoy. One of the best things about being vegetarian is the incredible variety of foods you can enjoy. The plant kingdom offers an endless array of colors, shapes, and flavors that can transform any meal into a feast. From the vibrant reds of bell peppers to the deep greens of kale, the possibilities are truly endless. We're not talking about just salads here, honey. While salads can be delicious and nutritious, there's so much more to explore. Imagine a world where every meal is a new adventure, where you can travel the globe without leaving your kitchen. We're talking about flavorful curries that warm your soul, hearty stews that fill you up, savory stir-fries that bring a burst of flavor with every bite, and so much more. Each dish tells a story, each flavor a chapter in the culinary book of life. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cuisines and flavors. The beauty of vegetarian cooking is its versatility. You can take inspiration from any corner of the world and make it your own. Add a pinch of this, a dash of that, and before you know it, you've created something truly unique and delicious. Try some Indian lentil soup, also known as dal. It's a comforting dish that's packed with protein and flavor. Pair it with some warm naan bread and you've got a meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. Whip up a Mexican fiesta with veggie fajitas. The combination of grilled vegetables, warm tortillas, and zesty spices is sure to be a hit. Don't forget the guacamole and salsa for that extra burst of flavor. Or explore the Mediterranean with a delicious Greek salad. The crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, tangy feta cheese, and briny olives come together to create a dish that's both refreshing and satisfying. The world is your oyster, my friend. So get creative and have fun with it. Dive into cookbooks, watch cooking shows, or even take a cooking class. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in the kitchen. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every misstep is a learning opportunity, and every success is a reason to celebrate. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and it's the key to a happy and satisfied vegetarian belly. So go ahead, spice up your life with variety and enjoy the delicious journey that is vegetarian cooking. Your taste buds will thank you, and so will your body. Happy cooking, my loves. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the protein on the plate. A lot of folks worry about getting enough protein on a vegetarian diet, but I'm here to tell you it's totally doable. There are so many plant-based protein sources out there just waiting to fuel your body. We've got our lentils, our beans, our chickpeas, oh my, and don't forget about tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and edamame. These little powerhouses are packed with protein and other essential nutrients. So don't you worry your pretty little head about protein. Just make sure you're incorporating a variety of these plant-based wonders into your meals, and you'll be good to go. All right, my loves, let's talk about labels. I know they can be a little confusing, but trust me, they hold the key to making healthy choices. When you're shopping for vegetarian goodies, it's super important to read those labels carefully. Look out for hidden ingredients that might not be vegetarian friendly, like gelatin or certain food colorings, and pay attention to the sugar content, especially in processed foods. We want to make sure we're nourishing our bodies with wholesome, good-for-you ingredients. So, take a little extra time to read those labels and make informed choices. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about those sometimes tricky social situations. Eating out with friends, attending family gatherings, or going to work events can be a little challenging when you're vegetarian. It can feel daunting to navigate these scenarios, especially when you're unsure about the food options available. But don't you worry, I've got your back. With a little preparation and a positive attitude, you can handle any social situation with ease. First things first, communication is key. Open and honest communication can make a world of difference. Don't be afraid to let your friends and family know about your dietary preferences. They care about you and will likely want to accommodate your needs. Most restaurants these days have vegetarian options, and many are more than willing to make adjustments to their menu items to suit your needs. If you don't see something suitable on the menu, don't hesitate to ask if they can whip something up for you. Chefs often enjoy the challenge of creating something special. And when it comes to events, offer to bring a delicious vegetarian dish to share. This not only ensures you have something to eat, but also introduces others to the joys of vegetarian cuisine. That way you know you'll have something yummy to eat, and you might even inspire others to try something new. Sharing your favorite recipes can be a great conversation starter, and a way to bond with others. You might be surprised at how many people are curious about vegetarianism and are willing to give it a try when they see how delicious it can be. Remember, being vegetarian is something to be celebrated, not hidden. It's a part of who you are, and it's something to be proud of. So go out there and shine your light. Embrace your dietary choices with confidence and positivity. Your enthusiasm can be contagious, and you might find that others are inspired by your example. Another tip is to prepare ahead of time. If you're going to a social event, consider eating a small meal beforehand so you're not too hungry if options are limited. Researching the venue ahead of time can also be helpful. Many restaurants have their menus online, so you can check for vegetarian options before you go. If you're attending a party or gathering, don't hesitate to reach out to the host in advance. A simple conversation can ensure there are options available for you. Social situations are about more than just food. They're about connecting with others and enjoying each other's company. Focus on the people and the experience, and the food will become just one part of the event. Remember, your dietary choices are a part of you, but they don't define you. You bring so much more to the table than just your food preferences. Use these social situations as an opportunity to educate and inform others about vegetarianism. You never know who might be inspired to make a change in their own diet. And who knows, you might even receive compliments on your delicious vegetarian dishes and become known for your culinary skills. Ultimately, the goal is to enjoy yourself and feel comfortable in any social setting. With a little preparation and a positive mindset, you can navigate any social situation with ease and confidence. So go out there, be yourself, and enjoy the company of those around you. Your confidence and positivity will shine through, making every social situation a pleasant and enjoyable experience. Well, my loves, there you have it. a little glimpse into my vegetarian journey and some tips to help you on yours. Remember, going vegetarian is a personal choice and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Listen to your body, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the journey. And always remember, you are loved, you are worthy, and you've got this. Now go out there and make some delicious plant-based magic.